Atani for the Ikeji Festival, and this is Nkwo Nzukoro. We are here at Atani, bringing you live review of the masquerade dance of Atani people. We are bringing you the masquerade dance of the good people of Atani. We are live here at Atani. We are bringing you the live today of the Ekpo dance. Today, Saturday, the 17th day of September 2022. We are here live in Atani, bringing you the live relay of today's masquerade dance. As you all can see, the masquerades are coming out one by one. They are all coming out. The masquerades are coming out one by one. As you can see, they are all coming out one. Should I say that this is the chief registrar of all the labels? This is the chief registrar. Or should I say the secretary general of the labels? And all these people, they are all members of Ekpo crew. They are the ones making sure that Ekpo do not hurt anybody. Trying to be in this world. This is the drum beat at which the masquerades dance. This is the drum beat which the masquerades dance to. This signifies that they are calling the masquerades to start coming out. At the beat of the drums, each masquerade will come out. And here we go. It's another masquerade coming out as well. This is what the masquerade they call in white, also known as the purple. In white, also known as the purple. This is the route where the masquerades are coming out from. As you can see, this is one of the members of the masquerade. Though he's not a masquerade, but he's displaying his skills in the masquerade dance. These are the members of the Ekpo crew going to escort the masquerade out. As the masquerade comes, the members of the crew are the people that will dance. And escort the masquerade to come out. The next that is coming out is the head. They call it Ekpo. Ekpo is the chief of the masquerade. As you are about to see, the Ekpo's head is bigger than all the heads of other masquerades. This is Ekpo, the Ekpo. Ekpo is the Ekpo. This is Ekpo. Madam is the Ekpo and it's coming out. As you can see, his head is bigger than the head. The masquerade head is bigger than the masquerade head. With inscription of other masquerade at the front. It has the inscription of other masquerade at the front. Madam is the Ekpo. It's a scene of joy for the people. That the masquerade must be a member of the masquerade group before you can be able to carry masquerade. You must be a member of the masquerade group before you can be able to be one of the people that will escort out the masquerade. Right now, going out from the route, from the path, or should I say the road that leads to Ohiepo. Ohiepo is where the masquerades are being worn. As the masquerades, they have all come out, and they are also going to a place they are going to converge. From that place, they will take off to the main event center where they will display their extraordinary skills in the masquerade dance. This is the route to where they will converge before they will start going to the last place of dance. And in case you are joining us now, this is Adamazi TV bringing you live relays of Atani Ekpo Masquerade dance. So we are here at their convergence from this place. They will take off to the main place of dance. And please, in case you are joining us now, please do well to subscribe to our YouTube channel at Adamazi TV. Go straight, search for Adamazi TV, click on subscribe and on the bell button. More videos of this Ikeji event. This is the last place the masquerades are converging before they will go to the main place of dance. And this is the masquerade group singing in anticipation of the masquerade that will be coming out from the place they are going to converge to take some rest, some breaks before they continue the dance. These are the dance group, the Ekpo group. They are all happy and they are doing their thing. It's culture and it's something that is supposed to be appreciated. And as you can see, they are doing it with every happiness, with every happiness. As we promise to bring you more of this, the masquerades are yet to come out so that they can all take up. They are singing and waiting for the masquerades to start coming out so that they will all march en masse to the place of dance. And this is the voice of Arochukwu Victor Madabuchi. I am the person in charge bringing you this live relay of Ekpo Masquerade dance, Nkwo Nzukoro, on this day, the 17th day of the month of September 2022. As you can see, the masquerades, they are all coming out. They are all coming out. The masquerades are coming out. The masquerades are coming out. It's a very nice one. The masquerades are coming out from where they will take up from this place to the place of dance. This number one masquerade has come out. Second one is still coming out. And as you can see, we are taking off. We are taking off to the place of dance. We are taking off to the place of dance. And these are the masquerades. They are all coming out to join the crew as we take off the place of dance. As we take off the place of dance. As we take off the place of dance. This is the masquerade. This is the Secretary General of the Ekpos. This is the Secretary General of the masquerades. They are all coming out in mass. Just stay tuned with us as we bring you more of the place of these masquerades. This is the masquerade dance of the good people of Ikeji Aro. This is the masquerade dance of the good people of Atani. Atani is one of the most peaceful villages in Arochukwu, and this is their masquerade. As you can see everywhere, people are coming out in mass. People are coming out in mass. This is one of the masquerades, and I think he's one of the best dancers I've seen so far today. Please, in case you are joining us now, note that you are with Adamazi TV. Do well to subscribe to our channel, because we promise to keep you updated of the masquerade. As you can see behind, many other masquerades are coming behind. Many other masquerades are coming behind. A lot of them. Other masquerades are behind. Yes, we are still live here in Atani Mauru. We are here at Atani Mauru. This is the final place. They are all coming together to converge. As you can see, their tent is set, the drums is set, everything is set. This is the place for the masquerade dance. This is the square. And these are the people. They are coming out. This is the place that the dance, the masquerade dance is going to take place. And as you can see, the masquerades juggling, dancing with the crew. This is Atani, the good land of Atani and Arochukwu local government area of Abia State, Nigeria. And we are bringing you live relays of today's masquerade dance. We are bringing you live relays of today's masquerade dance. As you can see, the masquerade has given me a test of his skin by coming to my front to give me a vlog. This is Atani, and this is the symbol of Atani people. They are the elephants of the community. This is the symbol of Atani. And this is the people of Atani and their masquerade. You can see how excited and happy they are, not just for the Ekpo dance, but because they are alive today to witness today's event. And in case you are joining us now, this is Adamazi TV, and we are live here in Atani Arochukwu for the New Yam Festival. And today is Nkwo Nzukoro, and Atani people happens to be one of the villages that is dancing masquerade today. And today we are here to bring you the live relay of the happenings in this area. They went back to make sure that Ekberem, which is the king of the masquerades, joins in the match. They are going to the boundary. From there, they will come back to the square where the dance will commence. Is it right? They are going to do and observe before the commencement of the dance. Please stay tuned with us as we make progress. We promise to bring you the live relays, everything concerning this masquerade dance today. This is the symbol of the good people of Atani village. And according to them, this signifies that they are the elephants of Arochukwu. This is the Mauro symbol. This is the reason why they are called Atani Mauro. The good people of Atani is the elephants of the Arochukwu kingdom. You can see how huge the elephant is. This is Atani symbol. They have all gathered around as they wait for the masquerade to return back from the boundary area they have gone to perform some rites. Yes, once again, the masquerade dance has started, and this moment it signifies they are giving signal to the masquerade that have gone to the boundary side between Atani and the next village. This drummer is telling them to start coming back to this square where the dance will begin. These are some of the members of the Ekpo group. They are singing, they are chanting to the language of the masquerade group. They are chanting the masquerades. For the masquerade to start returning to this square. And this is one of the members of the masquerade, though he's not in masquerade, but he's displaying his skill in masquerade dancing. As you can see, he's not on masquerade, but all the same, he's still displaying the masquerade dance. According to Igbo people, as agadi nwanyị na-aka nka n'egwu ọ mara agba. The drums is still calling out to the masquerade to start returning, because the masquerades, they can't talk and they cannot be talked to. They can only be communicated to via this drum beat. This drum beat, via this drum beat, this is the only way they can be communicated to. They understand every single bit of this drum beat. According to them, as the drum is just sounding low, it's calling out to the masquerade to start returning. This is what the beat of this sound is saying. The beat of these drums is calling out to the masquerade. And right now, I will be heading to where the masquerades are, and from there, we will be returning to this square for the masquerade dance to commence at its peak. I'm walking down to the places that the masquerade has gone. I'm on it. I'm on it. Okay. Okay. Right now, the masquerades are not yet set. So I will be going to the next village to also bring you the relays of how it's happening over there. Today, different villages are dancing masquerades. So as it is now, I will be going to the next village to get us the relay of how it's happening over there. Thank you, Nene. Thank you. For your bag.
Also, sisi ko halakan.
Kebun Gawara. Kebun Gawara. Awesome, the one. Next one, Abibu. Okay. Okay, right now seems the masquerades are returning back. That means I'm going to stay back here to get us to continue with us down here at Atani. But any moment from now, I will be touching down other villages to get you the relays of everything that is happening over there. As you can see, the masquerades are returning. The masquerades are returning. The masquerades are returning. This is the of the masquerades. The masquerades are returning back on the boundary at which we have gone. Hello, sir. Sir, good evening, sir. Hello, sir. I can hear you, sir. Good evening. Hello, sir. Sorry, I have not called you since yesterday. My phone went flat. I just powered it this afternoon. Okay, just add me to the platform. I'll after 30 minutes later tonight, I'll come around. We are still waiting for the return of the masquerades. They are coming back one. They are coming back one to the square, to the dancing ground. Right now, the masquerades are returning to the place they have gone, the boundary where they have gone to commence to march again down to the place of the dance. I am back to base. I am back to where the masquerade dancing is gonna take place. This is Atani Square. Atani Square, this is where the Atani Masquerade is gonna take place. At this place, this is where the events proper is gonna take place. And this is called Atani Square. I'm right here in Atani Square to take the event. And in case you are just joining us, this is Adamazi and bringing you this live relay is no other person than Adamazi or Madam Chi. I am the man behind the camera, bringing you the live play of this masquerade dance. Still happening live at Atani Arochukwu. This is the event, one of the events to commemorate the Ikeji festival. That is the Yuyang festival of the people of our ancient kingdom. I am here live to bring you the relays of the secret. This is the square where the event is taking place. This is called Atani Square. Atani Square is the ground where the please stay tuned with me as I go ahead to bring you the live relay of this wonderful event. The masquerade dancing has started. The first masquerade display. This is the masquerade dancing. Drum beat is still calling out to the other masquerades to come out, to start coming out from wherever they are gone to, for them to partake in the masquerade dance. Drum beat is calling out for masquerades to come out in order for them to partake in the masquerade dance. And this is one of the masquerade, member of the masquerade group. Though he's not a masquerade, but he's still displaying that skill. He's still displaying that skill. And as he stands, he will be one of the people that will be dancing at the next dancing day. Look at him displaying the masquerade dance, though he's not a masquerade. That is to say that someone does not grow old in the things he knows how to do best. dancing to the tune of the masquerade drums. No, it's not a masquerade, but it's dancing. He's one of the people that will dance in a few days' time. Alpha. Oh, it's all the light for us.